Hi guys, about this Fume extractor. Whenever I'm using soldering wires or anything, I use this Fume extractor to extract fumes. And this is a pipe which came with the Fume extractor, and also big jubilee clips. Back this switch is on and off switch. Small fan there, very small fan. The pipes which I connected to this another pipe over here on top of the ear, which go out. Extract fumes whenever I'm soldering wires. It's on now. It's on. There's no jubilee clip on here, so it's just air coming out which is extracting from this fan. I put this solder on. As you can see, this solder just it's on now. As you can see, it's fume coming out. It's going toward this extractor just for demonstration purposes. As you can see, extracting fumes. Easily extracts fumes. Just 10 is good for soldering any wires. Thank you guys.